Hey, Austin Glass here, your Houston real estate agent with eXp Realty. I'm standing in front of the very last home that's for sale in the Woodtrace community here in Pinehurst. And it is a single story, it's the Rosecliff model. I'll go ahead and walk you through the property, but it's 3 bed, 3.5 bath, 2 car garage. Again, single story, all brick exterior with some stucco up towards the top. And it's right next to this beautiful forest. I personally walk past this with my dog every day, so you get to say hello. But want to take you for a quick tour of the property. They are offering some incredible incentives. So make sure that you text me, call me, and I will get you all the details of what their current incentives are. But it's listed right at 400,000, and they're offering to buy down your rate. So enjoy.
This home is the lowest price home in all of Woodtrace, with all of the other properties being J. Patrick homes and Trees that are still available, and they're in the 7 to high 800,000 range. And then you have some resale properties in the high 900 range. So great little single story, single family home up against that preserve, and they really are offering awesome incentives right now and rate buy down, I believe, to 4.69%. Don't quote me on that, but as of today, that's what the sales rep was talking to me about. Got a great little office here overlooking the preserve, work from home, and the rest of the home is coming up here. Enjoy it.